people, this is my fifth video of the day, and see, I just now applied lipstick. I've worn this dupatta. I'm trying to look all pretty, but seriously people, it's like in this particular video I have to review this book called Interviews with Space People. You know, it's like Happy Science, the Japanese healing organization that I like to follow, is uh, they Master Ryoho Okawa, who is the founder of Happy Science, has written over 2,500 books. Yeah, I mean, he's in the Guinness Book of World Records for having the maximum number of books to his name. So generally, Interviews with Space People is about the fact that apparently we talk of aliens coming in spaceships, but in fact aliens, yeah, they do come in spaceships, but it's something known as dimensions. They cross dimensions and come, and in fact they've been coming for centuries now, and so much so some of them are being born on this earth, you know, in human wombs, but originally their mother planet is elsewhere. I mean, I know it sounds like science fiction, yeah, but you'll need to read this book to know what all this is about. It's called Interviews with Space People, which I don't think you will find it in Amazon, or maybe you might, but I found it in that book fair, Hyderabad book fair that you find. So that's how I found it. So exceptional. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.